family, I am Akosia Jadate and welcome back to my channel. If you love rich flavorful soups, you are in the right place. Today we are making Ghanaian palm nut soup, Abenkwan papabi, also known in Nigeria as banga soup. A creamy classic dish enjoyed across the country. Let's get started. We will begin this by roasting our meat. I'll be using mutton for this soup. You can use any protein of your choice. I will begin by adding some salt to my meat and then putting them on my baking tray nicely and into the oven it goes. I'll be roasting this for about 45 minutes on 180 degrees. Roasting your meat before using for your soup helps build up your flavor and taste. Next, I will add my fresh tomatoes, onions and pepper to a saucepan and cook it for about 10 minutes. I will then add in my ginger, garlic and onion to a blender. This is what I'll be using to steam my protein. It's been about 40 minutes now. Look at how our meat looks. I'll add it to our saucepan. I'll then add in some smoked snails. I had this in my freezer. Adding some 2 cured fish, which is kaako in Ghana. Adding our blended ginger garlic to our saucepan. And also adding some salt to taste. Some all-purpose seasoning. I'm using Ojiawarie. I'm just gonna give this a stir and then we will cover it up and let it steam for about 10 minutes. Today I'll be using palm cream for our soup. However, if you have got palm nut fruit, you have to extract the cream from the fruit. This is the simplest way. From where I am at the moment, I don't have access to the fruit, so this is what I'll be using. So I'm using the brand Inkulenu, but you can use any brand of your choice. I will add the cream to my bowl, add some hot water and mix well until it dissolves. And after mixing my cream, I'm going to allow this to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so that all the black particles that you normally find in the cream will settle. I don't want them in my soup, but some people don't mind. Some people also strain it, but I'm not going to strain it today. This is the easiest way that I normally do. Next, we will check on our vegetables and they are ready. So I'm going to add it to my blender and we are going to blend this until smooth. Our protein have steamed beautifully. So now I'm going to give it a quick stir and then add in our blended vegetables. Next, I will add in our aiding fruit. So with my aiding fruit, I toasted it on my hob for about 5 minutes. You don't have to do this if you don't want. I added in our smoked mackerel. This is my homemade smoked mackerel. It tastes so good. And I added in some smoked catfish. Yes, it's going to be amazing. Now it's time for us to add in our palm cream. You see all the black stuff that I was talking about at the bottom of my bowl. This is the stuff that I usually don't want. Give it a quick stir and now I'm just gonna let this cook on medium-high heat for about 30 minutes. We are back. Now it's time for us to check on our soup. I'm going to add in some mushrooms. If you've been on my channel before, you know your girl do love her mushrooms. So yes, I'm gonna add some mushrooms to my soup at this stage. I didn't want to overcook it, that's why I did not add it at the beginning. So this is a perfect time for me to add all my mushrooms. You don't have to add them. As I say, you can use any protein of your choice. let it continue to cook. It's been about 15 minutes and I'll check on our soup. Our soup is cooking beautifully. I'll give it a quick stir again. I'm going to add some chili for extra heat. As you can see, I started my soup with just one pepper. That's because of my kids. I will let this simmer for about 15 minutes. We will check on our soup now and it's almost ready. Look at how much oil that I've got. I'm just going to skim off some of the oil. I usually don't like this much of oil. So yeah, if you see me skimming off, but you don't have to do this. And I will let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Look at how much oil that I got. Yes, it's ready for another recipe. Yeah, I'm gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes and it's ready to go. It's been 15 minutes and our soup is ready. Bring your bowl, bring your bowl. Yes, today we had ours with some fufu and ekoye papa, but you can have it with some rice balls, you can have it with some banku, you can have it with some konkonte. Face the wall. Especially, you know, the leftovers. Adeche so crampa na edeno. Ahanti uma adeche so na se uchim kakra na se mu area na ka ode abom pesi prima pesi pa kuye rough. Try she never damase. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you will give it a try. If you would give your girl a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Please subscribe and click on notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much again. See you in our next video. Bye.